Hi friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin'. Welcome back to day 4 and the final video for the Love for You card class. This card class has been a lot of fun and we've made some really cute projects. If you want to see those, I'll make sure to link to them at the end of this video. There is a host code on the screen that you want to use if you place a $50 online order with me between the dates on the screen, and you will receive all 5 of the card kits, well 4 card kits and 1 project kit, which we're doing right now. And you'll receive those kits in the mail from me, along with these heart pearls, which are so beautiful. You get a whole pack of the heart pearls. So we're going to use this super cute mini pocket envelope dies. I love this. And actually it's in the annual catalog and I've never used it until now, which I'm a little ashamed to say because it's so super cute. So you're going to get, your kit will look like this one. So you're going to get the die cut piece already done for you of this super cute gingham, country gingham paper. You know, Stampin' Up! Used to have paper called Gingham Cottage, and I keep wanting to say that whenever I see this paper. So this is country gingham paper and it's gorgeous. As you can see, when you fold up your little envelope, you're going to have 2 different colors. Now everybody's won't be the same color, but I just wanted to do this for you because you could see how easy this project is to put together. So you're just going to fold on the little score lines, add some glue, close this over, and then I would just go ahead and like put a bone folder or a clear block or something on it to kind of hold it down and let it sit, and it will sit up for you. Then we've got this piece of cardstock cut at 2 1/4 by 3 1/2, and this will be in your kit. And we have this little fella that's going to go on your kit as well. This is just a die cut from the set. Now there is a die cut that will punch this hole out for you. However, I am gonna cheat and I'm gonna show you how. So we're just gonna go over the edge and clamp this together. And so obviously there's no hole there, so I can't put my ribbon through. So we'll address that in a minute, but we're gonna let this dry. Then you've got this little piece here that is super cute, and then we've got the Love You sentiment. So I'm gonna take my tweezers and grab a hold of that word, and then we are just going to glue these on like so. Okay, we have the U, and this project is almost done. So this is just a quick, simple project that I thought was really cute and is going to be so fun to give to somebody for Valentine's Day, or just because you love them. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. There's my dog shaking in the background. Sorry about that. All right, then we're going to grab a little dimensional here. I'm actually going to have to cut this in half. I thought it would fit, but it won't. Cut that in half real quick. Add a little dimensional to the back of our heart. Add our heart here. And then of course we have to add our little hearts. Get this dimensional off of here. Down here, we'll add a little one and a big one. There we go. All right. Now for this, I'm cheating. You could totally run this through the die cut. There is a die cut that cuts this out in this set. See right here, there's one. Okay, but I have, I don't know, 42. Ooh, that smells like grease. I have a bunch of hole punches. So I just grabbed one and I'm just gonna use it and punch a hole. Sometimes that's easier than getting out the die cut machine. Okay, and then you'll have a little piece of black twine, and what I did is folded it in half like so, stuck both ends through the hole, grabbed open the loop, and looped this part through just like that, and trimmed it off. Now your other option is to put a little piece of candy or something down in this pocket, and that would be super adorable, and you wouldn't have to do anything on the inside. But this is a super cute, fun option to leave a little love note for somebody. Put it in your kid's lunchbox, your husband's lunchbox, your significant other, whoever, your mom, your dad, sister, brother, uncle, aunt. Have I named everything you can name? Okay, so there are 2 of my little projects, so you'll get that kit too. So let me show you all the kits you're gonna get. You'll get 1 of the little project we just did, 1 to make this guy and this guy, and then these 2. So there is your super fun Love for You card class. If you want this bundle, it is available now in my online store. There's a link below. Don't forget to use the host code. Your order must be $50 before tax and shipping, and make sure you use that host code and order by the end date. Okay? Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.